Hi friends! Today, I'm super excited to color Pinkfong Wonderstar characters, Jeni. And now, I'm going to start coloring them. Enjoy watching! Number 1. Red color.
Let's make him bright, just me and you. Color, color, Pinkfongs today. Make him happy in every way. Red, green, yellow too. So many colors, what will we do? Draw the stars, the sky so high. Add a rainbow up in the sky. Pinkfong's world is so much fun. Color together, everyone. Color, color, Pinkfong today. Make him happy in every way. Purple, orange, what a
Number 2. Acid yellow color.
Pinkfong super bright. With every color we can dream. Pinkfong's adventures are supreme. Add some glitter, make it glow. Our colorful world will grow and grow. Let's color Pinkfong, come join the crew. There's so much magic we can do. Grab your crayons, don't delay. Let's color Pinkfong every day. In the world of kids, there's a special name. Pinkfong, the cheerful red fox in the game. Bringing songs and dances too. Making kids happy, that's what he'll do. Pinkfong, Pinkfong, entertaining us all. With lively songs and joyful dances, standing tall. Pinkfong, Pinkfong, our friendly guide.
Number 3. Skin color.
Making our days brighter side by side. Baby Shark's his famous song, getting kids singing along. Pinkfong, the creative fox, spreading joy to every box. Pinkfong, Pinkfong, entertaining us all. With lively songs and joyful dances, standing tall. Pinkfong, Pinkfong, our friendly guide.
Number 4. Soft pink color.
Making our days brighter side by side. Pinkfong's more than just a tune, creating memories for everyone. Kids and adults, hand in hand, enjoying this happy land.
Number
Pinkfong,
5.
Pinkfong,
Orange color.
entertaining us all. With lively songs and joyful dances, standing tall. Pinkfong, Pinkfong, our friendly guide. Making our days brighter side by side.